NZISD, and I have understood the schematics and troubleshooting of the motherboards, and also the replacement of the electronic components and ICs. I also did the basic troubleshootings of the power shorting and also the liquid damage analysis of the motherboard.
Hi, I'm Billy. I joined NZISD for mobile phone repairs and MacBook. I learned so many things like soldering, desoldering, and I have a great experience of these things. And I have a chance to work on the light jobs to build my confidence.
And it was very helpful. It's good to understand each and every concept of the schematics and to find out this. I'm really thankful to the NZISD for teaching me the advanced microcontrollers.
Just 2 weeks now, I feel confident to do it in the real world. Thank you so much for my teacher, Balwinder, for teaching me these things. And I know that I can do myself into the Christ Church when I come back. Thank you so much.